Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna. It's great to have you here with us today. Today, we're going to listen to real-life English conversations. Simple, natural, and easy to follow. All right, let's begin. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. Can I get a coffee, please?
Of course. What kind would you like?
What do you recommend?
Our cappuccino is very popular.
That sounds good. I'll have a cappuccino.
Great! What size?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot.
Would you like sugar?
Just a little, please.
Anything else?
Yes. I'll take a muffin.
Perfect. That will be $6.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thanks.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just moved nearby.
Welcome!
Thank you.
Here's your cappuccino and muffin.
Looks great. Thank you.
Be careful, it's hot.
Got it. Thanks. Good afternoon. Is this table free?
Yes, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Here's your menu.
Thanks. What do you recommend?
The grilled chicken is very popular.
I'll try that.
Good choice. Would you like fries or salad?
Fries, please.
And something to drink?
A lemonade, please.
Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
Any sauce?
Yes. Ketchup, please.
Anything else?
Do you have soup?
Yes, we have vegetable soup.
I'll take a small one.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Hello. Are you available?
Yes. Please get in.
Thank you.
Where would you like to go?
To the airport, please.
Sure. Which terminal?
Terminal 2.
Got it. Do you have luggage?
Yes, 1 suitcase.
I'll help you with that.
Thank you.
No problem.
How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes.
That's fine.
I'll take the fastest route.
Thank you. How much will it cost?
Around $40.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, that's fine. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Sure.
Are you traveling for work?
No, for vacation.
Nice. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Next, please. Passport.
Here you go.
Where are you coming from?
From France.
What is the purpose of your visit?
Vacation.
How long will you stay?
1 week.
Where will you stay?
At a hotel in the city.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do.
Any items to declare?
No.
Look at the camera, please.
Okay.
Welcome.
Thank you. Good afternoon. I'd like to check in.
Sure. What's your name?
Anna So.
Let me check. Yes, I see your booking. You're staying for 2 nights, correct?
Yes.
Here is your room key. room 305.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect.
The elevator is on your left.
Thank you.
Enjoy your stay. Hello. How can I help you?
I'm looking for flowers.
For a special occasion?
Yes, a birthday.
Roses are very popular.
I'll take red roses.
How many would you like?
12, please.
That will be $35.
I'll pay by card.
Would you like to add a message?
Yes. Happy birthday. I love you.
That's lovely.
Thank you.
Hi, I'd like to return this shirt.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. May I ask why you're returning it?
It's too small.
Would you like a refund or exchange?
A refund, please.
No problem. It will go back to your card.
Thank you.
Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Hi. Is this machine free?
Yes, you can use it.
I'm not sure how it works.
Don't worry. It's easy. Put your clothes inside.
Okay.
Add detergent here.
How much?
Just a little.
Got it.
Then press start.
Thanks.
It will take about 30 minutes.
Perfect. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Anna.
Ready to run?
Yes, let's go.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, not too hot.
How often do you run?
2 times a week.
That's good.
It helps me relax.
Me too.
We're almost done.
That was a good run.
Yes, I feel great. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Anna. I recently graduated.
Why do you want this job?
I like your company and want to learn.
What are your strengths?
I'm hardworking and reliable.
Any weaknesses?
I get nervous sometimes, but I'm improving.
Good answer. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Can you tell me about the team?
You'll work with a small, friendly team.
That sounds great.
We'll contact you soon.
Thank you for your time. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing English every day. See you next time. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.